Alright, next step will be to create some ammo visuals. Because right now, our player can't tell how much ammo he has. And that's bad, so we will create some text elements to display our ammo somewhere in the scene, and for that, we will need to create some text elements in the canvas. So let's right-click on Canvas UI Legacy, and let's choose text. Now let's call this one ammo text. Well, you see we have this text, and let's go in CMU. Let's hit F to zoom in, let's zoom out bits. Let's select Move To, and now we should position these text where we want. I think I will position it at the bottom left corner. Around here. Let's select Direct Tool and make this bigger for the bigger. And let's change text here. We can change text, and let's say I'm all 90 or something like that. Well, I will make it 50, it doesn't matter. It just for placeholder to check how it will look like. We can obviously change font. Let's make font bigger, for example 50. And you see we have these ammo 50. Obviously, we can also change course and things like that. So we can make it any color that we want. For example red, and also we can change the fonts, font style and font itself. Because right now it's set to Arial, which is default font in Unity, and it doesn't look any good in my taste. So instead we can use any other fonts. And for that, we obviously will need to have some fonts. And that's why these headphones folder will be attached on this video. If we open these fonts, it has different fonts inside, as you see. And we can use basically any of those fonts. So let's select ammo text, and instead of Arial, let's drag any font that we like, and you see it has changed. So you can choose any font that you like. Let's test them. Obviously, you can also find some other fonts if you want. One more detail, we should also take this text and encourage to the button left corner, and I think it looks alright. Let's change it. Okay, I think it looks alright. Okay, next step will be to update this ammo correctly. And for that, first of all, let's go in the UI controller script. Where is our UI controller? Hey, let's get reference to our text. So we will say here public text. Now let's call this one ammo text. Let's save the script. And now let's go in the player shooting script. Because here we have the remaining ammo. And here we should display our text. Well, when our game starts, we want to have correct amount of ammo. So for that we can say UI controller.instance ammo text.text. So we are accessing our text element. And it should be called in quotation marks. We will say what we want to have as a text. So for example, I'm going to dots. And after that we will click plus. And after that we will pass our remaining gamma. And that's pretty much it. What we want to have to display our ammo correctly when the game starts. Now we will continue copy this line. And we will also paste it here. So when our ammo is decreasing, we want to update our display as well. And also when we add some ammo to our game, we want to update the ammo display correctly as well. So we will paste this line here as well. And that's pretty much it. We can save the script, let it compile, and let's go back in Unity to check if everything is working. First of all, we should select the canvas, and we should drag our ammo text to the correct field. So let's drag our ammo text here in the ammo text field. Yeah, right now our ammo is set to 50. As you see, it doesn't matter because when our game starts, it will get to 10 because we will have 10 ammo. Yes, you see we have 10 ammo, and when we shoot our ammo is going down. We have so now let's take this ammo box. And now we have 14 ammo, so it means that everything is working indeed. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.